Brooke, I remember halide-free fluxes in the days of tin-lead solder paste. What is the difference between halide and halogen-free?
With halide-free fluxes, the important thing was to not have ionic halogens like chlorine, bromine, iodine, or fluorine in the raw flux. Whereas halogen-free fluxes, you're concerned about chlorine or bromine being present in the flux residues after reflow.
What's the source of concern?
With halides, the source of concern is ionic elements being still mobile on your assembly, which could lead to electrochemical migration. Whereas halogens are a concern in the final assembly. When the printed circuit board is being recycled, you don't want to release halogens into the atmosphere.
What are the current industry regulations for halogen-free?
There's an optional test for oxygen bomb testing in the J Standard 4, which would require 1,000 ppms of bromine or 1,000 ppms of chlorine in this testing for low halogen.
Where can I find more information on halogen-free?
Visit our halogen-free page at indium.com.
Brooke, thank you very much.